Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys! Hello! Today is our new Yaya's birthday, Yaya Donna. So, yung dati naming Yaya, si Yaya Gina, hindi naman dingit sa inyo na meron kami isang the best Yaya talaga.
Yeah.
Si Yaya Gina, since 5 months old si Malia, siya na yung nag-alaga kay Malia. Until nagkaroon ng problema, ng pandemic. So, last March, nag-decide ako na pauwiin sila kahit hindi siya nagsasabi. Yung some of my yayas hindi nagsasabi sa akin, but I can feel as a mother, I understand, and alam ko yung nag-aalala sila sa pamilya nila, especially Yaya Gina, meron siyang 3 years old na anak, mas matanda lang kay Malia ng halos 1 year old. So naiintindihan ko kahit hindi siya magsalita. So ako na yung nag-decide na nagsabi na if you wanna go back to your family because of this pandemic, you can go home. And then, kung kailangan niyo ng tulong ko, nandito naman ako. Huwag kayong mahiyang magsabi hanggat kaya ko. So, ayun, si Yaya Gina and the other kasambahay went back to their families because they have small children like, to take care of. So, we understand that. But,
We like Gina. Gina's good. Yeah. She's very thoughtful, very hands-on. Malia took to her so well, and we could really trust her. And she was just so focused on taking care of Malia that it really made us feel so comfortable, and it gave us assurance that if we weren't seeing Malia and watching her, at least we knew she was in good hands, being taken care of. And it's just tough, like we understand her situation, but it's like, we really like Gina a lot. She was great.
I miss her. Bukas naman yung tahanan namin kung babalik siya. Kasi alam ko nag-aalala lang siya sa maliliit niyang anak. Kaya hindi na siya makabalik. And of course, kailangan namin mag-move on. Kailangan namin ng bagong yaya for Maria kasi nagbalik na ako sa normal na trabaho ko. And ayun, maswerte kami kasi yung bagong niyang yaya, si Yaya Donna, mabait din. And maasikaso. Medyo mahihain lang, hindi kagaya ni Yaya Gina na nagkukumidi rin.
Kahel ni Maria!
Ito medyo siguro dahil bago lang siya, nahihiya pa sa amin. So, we let go and we welcome yung parte ng pamilya namin at naging parte ng pamilya namin. Pero, sabi ko, gaya nga na sinabi ko, kung gusto niyang babalik sa amin, bukas ang tahanan namin. So, today, it's our Yaya Donna's birthday. So, I'm gonna cook some pancit for her. Grabe yung ginawa ng pandemic na to sa ating lahat. Pero, yeah, let's be strong and move on. Yeah.
Let's do that with some pancit.
Pancit. Okay.
Okay, let's do it. Come on. All right, pancit. What do we got?
Pancit for Yaya Donna.
Here we go.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
It's your birthday.
Got the bawang and sibuyas.
Oh, everyone knows how to cook pancit. It's very basic and it's very easy.
I don't know how to cook pancit.
Gusto mong canton or bihon?
Bihon.
Malia, my favorite niya bihon.
Oh,
Sobrang favorite niya with pandisa, di ba? Remember
totoo.
the pancit mukbang?
Malia loves pancit. Definite go-to meal.
We include the bones of the chicken. Para when you put the sabaw, masarap yung bone ng chicken.
Regasco na wag mag-atubili. Regasco, 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 oh oh. Regasco, 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 oh oh. Regasco, ang
Love ko, Regasco! Pancit! Pancit kayo!
Pancit na ba kayo?
Gusto niyo ba pancit? And then we separate the gulay and then you cook the noodles, the bihon. Separate the gulay. Because I want the gulay, you know, crunchy. Half cooked.
Ah. So you reuse that water to cook the pancit?
Yeah,
Ah.
para masarap yung...
Here come the noodles. Fwa. Fwa.
Kasi marami kami dito sa bahay. So,
Noodle time.
sobrang marami kami dito sa bahay. So, ay, kaya marami din yun.
Sobra marami tao. There's always at least a couple hungry folk walking around at any given time.
Pag wala akong taping, pag wala akong trabaho sa labas, nagbablog kami. Papang. Nilipat ko na siya ng mas malaking lalagyan kasi hindi na kasya. Ready na. Yay!
Yeah. Big servings need a big bowl.
Yay! Yes! Go! Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wish! Ang dami, ang haba!
Wow, ilang wish.
Mamaya yung pangulan.
Huwag mo na ihipan! Ganun mo na lang! Ganun mo ng kamay mo para makain natin!
Yan.
Malia na lang
And there's the pancit. Malia is fired up. Yay!
Malia! Malia, we blow the candle.
There's our pancit. Huh?
Dati hindi iyak yan.
Go for it.
Makakarinig. Buti nga hindi na siya iyak. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday
Day to you.
Blow!
Oy! Woo! Yay!
Hindi ka nakain na kayo.
Kumusta ng pancit? Sarap. Wow. Gina!
Kaya lang po ako nakaraan sa
Happy birthday, Donna. Feliz cumpleaños. Yeah. Happy ka, babe?
Stand up. Up, up, up. Stand up, stand up. There you go. Lubaya.
Yum,
Yeah.
yum.
Do you like Mama's pancit? You like it? Sarap. Yummy.
Yum yum.
I would like to thank Nanay Christopher Min for this gelatin. Wow. Thank you.
I like it. You like it?
You like it? You like Mama's pancit? You like it?
What's your opinion on pancit?
Wow, thumbs up.
There it is. Thumbs up.
Wow.
Yeah!
I like it. You like it?
You like your...
Oh, you want some gelatin?
You want some gelatin? Okay.
We'll give you a little bite of gelatin, of course.
Here, try the gelatin. Come on. What color?
Here you go.
Huh? Wow.
Wow!
You like it? Thumbs up? Wow, 2 thumbs up pa. Yummy!
Yay.
First of all, happy birthday, Donna.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, ma'am, sir. Thank you po.
And thank you all for watching. As we said before, it was part of goodbyes, but this is a welcome to and happy birthday, of course. And thank you guys all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And keep tuning in. We'll have some great videos for you. We love you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Like this, like this, like this. Say thank you, say
Thank
thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.